Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 24 Higbee Avenue in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So we just had this house completely finished. Everything is all done with this house. You've got the outside water here. The landscaping was just finished. You've got this really beautiful deck. Right next to the door, you have the outside electric. I'll take a look inside. Right as you walk in, you've got this really large living room here. Here's the windows to the front. You can see the lawn, the deck, the trees there. Got a nice ceiling fan above. This room also comes equipped with a cable jack, so perfect spot to put your TV right there. Here's this really pretty kitchen. We have all Whirlpool appliances in this house. They are warranted through the manufacturer as well. Here we have a side-by-side refrigerator, freezer. Refrigerator on the right side, freezer on the left side. You've also got a ton of cabinetry space in this kitchen. These ones especially are also super deep. One other thing to say about the cabinets is they actually have a slow closing mechanism here. So there's not any slamming or anything if you close them, which I think is just such a really nice quality of life. Here you have this subway tile backsplash. Got these two windows right at the sink, so if you're washing dishes or what have you, got this really great outlook. That side-by-side sink. Got the dishwasher to the left. This is Whirlpool as well. Top and bottom rack. And on the bottom rack, there's a utensil holder. Laminate countertops in the kitchen. We also have an extendable nozzle on the sink here, the faucet. This is the microwave. And that's right above the stove oven combination. And right below it all, you have a heating tray. Right through this door here is the mudroom. Got a really nice contrasting wallpaper in this room. Here as well, you have those super deep cabinets like I was showing before. These are white cabinets. The one in the kitchen was an Antelope, is what they call it. It's that brown color. Right here is where you would put your side-by-side washer and dryer. And this is the back door. Right here you have the electrical panel. This is 100 amps, just like a regular house would be. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the house. Right here you have the thermostat. There is central air conditioning in this house, as well as forced hot air. Here is the first bathroom. In here you have a different wallpaper, as well as a different flooring. This is vinyl flooring, just like the rest of the house. Got a bathtub here. And in this bedroom, you have another bathroom. Got your closet on the left, and on the right is the water heater, which we'll take a look at later. This room, as well as the other bedroom, also come equipped with a cable jack, so you can put a TV in the room as well. Here is the shower in this bathroom. You also notice that these have the black hardware, so all the faucet heads and the shower doors here have that black trim. Now we'll take a look at the closet. There is a wire rack installed here, so you can hang clothes or stack clothes up there. We also give you 2 extra screen doors. And here is your whole house shutoff valve. This right here is the data plate, gives all the information about the home. Now we'll take a look at the water heater. This is a 40-gallon electric water heater. And right here, we have the furnace. So this is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning in this house. This is an AirQuest, which I really like because you have this super easy to replace filter at the top. It just flips right down, and you can slide it out and put a new one in. Now we'll take a look at the last bedroom. Got a window right here that looks into the backyard. Got your closets on the right. And like I had said before, you have a cable jack in this room as well. And a wire rack in the closet, just like the other closet. Now, if you're interested in this house or any other houses we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.